Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Here's a breakdown of some key concepts. Blockchain. This is the underlying technology behind most cryptocurrencies. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of records, blocks, that are linked and secured using cryptography. Each block typically contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. Decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, which are issued and regulated by central authorities, like banks or governments, cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized. This means that they operate on a network of computers where transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography. Cryptography. The security and integrity of transactions in the cryptocurrency world are maintained using cryptographic techniques. This ensures that transactions are secure and that coins cannot be duplicated or forged. Public and private keys. In the crypto world, a public key is an address where others can send you funds. The private key, on the other hand, is a secret piece of information that allows you to spend the funds from that address. It's crucial to keep your private key safe and secure. Mining. This is the process by which new cryptocurrency coins are introduced into circulation and transactions are added to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Once a problem is solved, the miner gets to add a block to the blockchain and is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Wallets. These are digital tools that allow users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Wallets can be hardware-based, physical devices, or software-based, applications or online platforms. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. Each has its own unique features, use cases, and underlying technology. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and their use has been controversial. Supporters argue that they offer numerous advantages such as decentralization, security, and transparency, while critics raise concerns about their potential for illicit activities, lack of regulation, and potential economic implications. The need for cryptocurrencies arises from various motivations, some ideological and some practical. Here are some of the reasons why people see value in cryptocurrencies. Financial inclusion. Billions of people around the world don't have access to traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrencies can offer financial services to those who are unbanked or underbanked, allowing them to participate in the global economy. Low transaction fees. Transferring money, especially internationally, through traditional banking systems can be expensive. Cryptocurrencies often offer a cheaper alternative for money transfers. Security. Cryptographic principles ensure the integrity and safety of transactions and holdings. This can be seen as safer than traditional systems, which can be subject to fraud or unauthorized access. Privacy. Cryptocurrencies can offer more privacy compared to traditional transactions, although the level of privacy varies among different cryptocurrencies. Transparency and immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This ensures a transparent and immutable transaction history, which can be publicly verified. Potential for innovation. The underlying blockchain technology has opened the door for various innovative applications. From smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, to decentralized applications, dApps, and more. Sovereignty over one's money. Cryptocurrencies give individuals full control over their money. without the need to trust banks or governments. Hedge against traditional financial systems. Some view cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as digital gold and consider it a store of value, especially in times of economic instability. Potential for growth. Some individuals and investors are attracted to the potential for high returns, given the historical appreciation of some cryptocurrencies. This, however, comes with high volatility and risk. Ideological reasons. Some people are attracted to the philosophy behind cryptocurrencies, which emphasizes decentralization, freedom from government control or censorship, and a more egalitarian financial system. Remittances. Cryptocurrencies can make sending remittances more efficient, especially in countries where traditional banking services are inefficient or costly. Microtransactions. Cryptocurrencies can facilitate small transactions efficiently, which can be challenging for traditional payment systems due to fees. Cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. Here's a simplified overview of how it works. Transactions. When someone wants to send a cryptocurrency to another person, they create a transaction. This transaction includes the sender's address, the recipient's address, the amount of cryptocurrency being sent, and potentially other information. The sender then signs this transaction with their private key. Verification. Before a transaction is added to the blockchain, it needs to be verified. This is done by a network of computers, known as nodes. These nodes use cryptographic algorithms to verify the authenticity of the transaction and ensure the sender has the required balance. Mining, for proof-of-work systems. Once transactions are verified, they are grouped together into a block. This block then needs to be added to the blockchain. In cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, this is done through a process called mining. Miners compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first one to solve it gets to add the block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted, or mined, cryptocurrency. This process both secures the network and releases new coins into circulation. Consensus algorithms. Not all cryptocurrencies use mining, proof of work, as their consensus mechanism. Some use proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, proof of authority, and other mechanisms to validate and add new blocks to the blockchain. Each has its own advantages and trade-offs in terms of security, decentralization, and energy efficiency. The world of cryptocurrency has been shaped by a multitude of developers, advocates, and visionaries. Here are some of the key figures and entities. Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous individual or group of individuals who authored the original Bitcoin white paper in 2008 and developed the first Bitcoin software in 2009. Satoshi's true identity remains one of the biggest mysteries in the cryptocurrency world. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, the platform that introduced the concept of smart contracts and paved the way for the development of decentralized applications, dApps. Ethereum has since become the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap after Bitcoin. Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, a cryptocurrency designed to offer faster transaction times and a different hashing algorithm than Bitcoin. Jed McCaleb, co-founder of Ripple and later Stellar. Both cryptocurrencies focus on facilitating real-time, cross-border payments. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, founder and CEO of Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Brian Armstrong, co-founder and CEO of Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider based in the United States. Roger Ver, an early Bitcoin advocate and investor, often referred to as Bitcoin Jesus. He later became a vocal proponent of Bitcoin Cash, a fork of Bitcoin. Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the co-founders of Ethereum and later founded Polkadot, a multi-chain framework. Nick Szabo, a computer scientist, legal scholar, and cryptographer who developed the concept of BitGold, a precursor to Bitcoin, and has been a significant contributor to the idea of smart contracts. Hal Finney, an early contributor to the Bitcoin community and the recipient of the first Bitcoin transaction from Satoshi Nakamoto. Andreas M. Antonopoulos, a renowned speaker, educator, and author known for his work in spreading awareness and understanding of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Barry Silbert, founder and CEO of Digital Currency Group, which invests in various cryptocurrency businesses and projects. Cryptocurrency development teams. Behind every cryptocurrency, there's a team, or sometimes just an individual, of developers working on the code base, improving the protocol, and pushing for adoption. Mining communities. Miners play a vital role in the proof-of-work cryptocurrency ecosystems by validating transactions and securing the network. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Companies and platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others play a pivotal role in the ecosystem by facilitating the buying, selling, and trading of cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency ecosystem is vast, with countless contributors, developers, advocates, critics, and entrepreneurs playing roles in its ongoing evolution and adoption. In recent years, the cryptocurrency landscape has expanded to include not just cryptocurrencies, but also other blockchain-based assets and concepts, such as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized finance, DeFi. The inner workings of different cryptocurrencies can vary significantly based on their design, consensus mechanism, and intended use cases. However, the principles of cryptographic security, decentralization, and a blockchain ledger are common to most. While there are many potential benefits to cryptocurrencies, it's also essential to consider the risks and criticisms, such as their potential use in illegal activities, environmental concerns, especially with energy-intensive mining processes like that of Bitcoin, regulatory challenges, and the inherent volatility in their value. Now you know what cryptocurrency is. Thank you for your time.